my channel. My name is Ray Johnson, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can remove ad suitability issues from your monetized videos on YouTube. Now, as you can see, guys, it says, congratulations, you have been accepted in the YouTube partner program. You can now monetize your videos and access support. So guys, I actually requested a review for monetization on the 29th of April 2022, and I was accepted within 5 days. I was accepted on May 4th, 2022, which means I must be doing something right. But incidentally, when I went around to my videos to actually turn on monetization, what I noticed is that 3 of my videos had this on it. And what it says is that this video is running limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. It remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. That is to say, only persons who have YouTube Premium accounts will be able to see ads on those 3 videos that were actually given this limitation, which means that the chance of me making any money from those videos are very limited. And that is very disheartening for someone like me who have just started an online business to make money online. So guys, what I went and did is actually requested a review for 2 of my videos. And the 2 videos are 2 videos where I'm actually showing my viewers how to actually download the videos on Facebook. And what happens is that YouTube have a big issue, and they're very aggressive when it comes to copyright issues and the misuse of other person's content. And they will definitely remove your videos, they'll block you, they'll demonetize you, and they will not monetize your channel if they're seeing this issue. But I'm saying, if it is that I'm monetized, why is it that these videos that were getting a lot of ads prior to me being monetized being given limitations? So that's the reason I actually applied. And in my 2 Facebook videos where I'm showing persons to actually how to download Facebook videos, I did not explicitly state it in no way to my viewers that they should go ahead and misuse anyone's content. So of course, I went ahead and applied. And you need to do the same thing if you are facing this issue, because chances are there was a issue with the person who reviewed your channel initially. So what you need to do is give a chance to another person who may have another opinion and take this limitation off your video so you can be fully monetized and earn as much as possible, because it takes a lot of views for you to earn $1 on YouTube, and to know that 3 of your videos is actually partially monetized, then that's a big issue. You're not going to be making much. So guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually remove that limitation and start making the most of all your videos. So what you would do is go down to the video that has the ad limitation issue, which is this one, and you'd hover over it, and then you'd click on where it says request review. I will not be doing that just yet. And guys, what I want you to know, if you are a new YouTuber who is hoping to make money online on YouTube, you must read their misuse of content, and you must read their community guidelines. You also must read all the copyright claims documents so you can be in the know. So when you're recording videos, you don't record videos that has to do with teaching people about downloading things for free that really cost money, or showing people tricks and how to get things for free, because YouTube do not like that. They will definitely block you, they'll demonetize you, and they will not monetize your channel. They'll remove your videos, and you will be discouraged. So guys, with that said, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the email I got, because I requested that those two videos be fully monetized, and within 12 hours they were fully monetized. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the email I got. Okay, so the email says, great news, after manually reviewing two of your videos, we have determined that they are suitable for all advertisers. So now when you click on the thumbnail of my videos, you will see an ad played in. And initially, I was actually testing out those videos, and there was no ad on those videos. So I was saying, wow, I've definitely got to get these fixed, because initially, before I was monetized, they did have ads, and YouTube didn't have any issue making money from those videos. So yes, guys, you should definitely go ahead and request a review. And if you have doubts whether or not you will be successful, what you can do is go into the description of the video and read the language of your description. Is your description promoting the misuse of other person's content? If so, you may need to change the wording, and you must make it explicitly clear that this video is for educational purposes and is not for the misuse of anyone's content. Okay, so I'm gonna go back right over, and I'm gonna put in a request for this video to also be fully monetized, and you can go ahead and do the same for all your videos that has this limitation. Okay, let me scroll down. And guys, on this channel, what I do is that I actually research ways that you can make money online, and when I find a successful method to make money online, I come back on my channel and I actually show you how I made money online. So what you need to do if you want to be making money online is give this video a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and click on that notification bell. In that way, you'll be one of the persons to make the most money online. So I'm gonna go ahead and request a review, so this video can be fully monetized, and you go ahead and do the same so you can make the most money on YouTube. So yep, yes guys, all you need to do is tick this box and click on that, and that's it guys, you're done. And YouTube should be reviewing it, and it will be a live person, and voila, your video will be fully monetized. So yes guys, thank you for watching my channel. You take care. Bye bye.